Yeah, conditions on Highway 80 were treacherous coming up here. The snow is really coming down. In fact, just moments ago, I tried to see how deep it was. I put my foot in here and came all the way down. Snow fell fast over the Sierra, and within hours, traffic along I-80 was at a complete stop. Spinouts, crashes, whiteout conditions.
We're waiting for the freeway to open. We've been out here for about 30-40 minutes, and they told us the road was closed and it was due to accidents and heavy snow.
As cars slid off the road, snowplows and tow trucks moved in.
I'd rather you stay home than me have to come and save you.
And if you do need help, it'll come at a cost.
About $3.75 an hour, anywhere from $750 to $1,200. That's just a basic pull out and get you out of the snow.
But some still had to get back to work. One middle school teacher says he thought he was prepared.
We're just having some fun. Little bit of oil, just adding it on, putting on some snow chains. I thought I was going to make it. I thought I had enough tread on the tires, but I wanted to make sure that I got back to Reno tonight so I can be prepared to teach class tomorrow.
But not everyone was stuck. Nearby hillsides turned into a winter playground.
Just a spontaneous trip up to the snow.
Even the adults had fun.
My husband was like, hey, you want to head up? And we just grabbed the kids and forgot a bunch of stuff that we should have brought.
And then there was this.
My buddy there, he asked me if I wanted to go snow wheeling or something, and I just said yeah.
But why aren't you wearing a shirt?
I mean, it's nice out. I'm from Auburn, so it's just nice to be out in the snow. Till the ladies come, honestly.
So again, that critical message from authorities: stay off the roads if you can, stay home, and be safe. In Nyack, Nazi Javid, ABC 10.